From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for January 3rd, 2018. Today we're going to be taking a look at the USDJPY, the US dollar, versus the Japanese yen for today's trade analysis. As we ease our way into 2018, we can see at the very bottom of the chart, we have a trade going from the Australian USD from the trade room yesterday, took the long into the 78.21 level. We're currently sitting about 15 or 16 pips of profit. Haven't seen over 20 pips of profit yet, but definitely waiting for another surge back higher for the Australian dollar, protecting profit as we can as it moves back into our targets for the Australian dollar. Moving here to the USDJPY, you can see the market coming down here into a key support level. In fact, let's go ahead and zoom it in a little bit more so it's easier to see this. Take a look at the blue shaded area, 112 up to 112.20. That's the blue zone in the middle of the chart. You follow it back in time, you can see some support here. The green circle is showing support, and support at this area right about or just above the 112 level. We also see the 100 period simple moving average here on the daily time frame coming into that 112 level as well. So we have the moving average, we have historical support here, we have some Fibonacci here into the bottom of the blue zone as well. Lowest low on the chart to the most recent high, measuring that with Fibonacci, we see the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level living at 111.95, bottom of the blue zone. So we have a pretty major support level coming into the blue shaded area just above 112 with Fibonacci, the 100 period moving average, and historical support here. So we know that one of two things is going to happen, and this is the way it generally happens at each one of these levels. One is that it could bounce and go back up. We've already seen yesterday hold here. We've seen previous days hold here. So there is obviously a statistical expectation that we could find support here above 112 and bounce back up. The other opportunity could be a breakdown, momentum. The bearish momentum carries through, a breakdown of 112, we look for the continuation lower. If we're merely going on risk reward alone, I would say buying is a better idea. Always thinking about buy low, sell high. If you're going to buy something, buying at a lower price gives you better risk versus reward. We target back to the purple zone. If that's the case, we could look for it back here or possibly even higher, all the way back up into the orange shaded area, into the 113 level or higher. I suppose it could even go as high as the 114s as it challenges the highest highs. But at the for the time being, the blue zone's where we're focusing our attention. Let's take it on down to the 4-hour time frame. And as we get down here, take a look at the price action we've seen over the past 24 hours. Again, first off, looking back here to the left-hand side, you can see these areas where the market bounced, found support at the blue zone, bounced back higher. You see this period here, bounced, found support, moved back higher. And even here where the black circle is, it was difficult to see on the daily, but where the black circle is, you can see the market holding after a significant bounce and going back up. So 1, 2, 3 times. Now we're here the 4th time. We made a low yesterday, bounce back up. Now we're holding above the 112.20 level. So 112.20 down to 112 is our best case scenario for trading this today. The worst case is that it breaks underneath. So we would look for a stop loss underneath the blue zone. If you're looking to go long, that's the next agenda here. If you're looking to go long, you want your stop loss underneath the 112 level, because if it breaks there, you probably don't want to stay in a long at that point in time. So buying the blue zone, targeting the purple or even the orange zone or higher, becomes the opportunity for the day today. Selling on top of the blue zone just doesn't seem like a logical trading decision given the history of this blue shaded area for the US yen today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.